video lesson, we are going to measure the area of the different figures. Ano po? Plane figures. Ano po? So as you can see in our board, anim po ang ating i-discuss, pero unang-una natin ipakita yung unang tatlo na ating i-discuss. Ano po? So we have here some plane figures, kagaya ng square, rectangle, and parallelogram. Now, makikita ninyo, below that, below their names, ano po, makikita ninyo yung kanilang formula or yung formula ng kanilang area. Okay, lagay lang natin yung sa parallelogram, di pala natin nilagay. Okay, so as you can see, in measuring the area of the square, we can use the formula area of the square is equal to side times its side. Ano? Side times side, kasi alam naman natin na ang measure ng isang side ng square ay kapareho ng tatlo pa niyang side. Ano? Kasi po, ang square ay merong 4 equal sides. So, times side yung kanyang formula. Next, sa rectangle naman, alam natin na yung kanyang dalawang length ay magkapareho ng sukat at dalawang width ay magkaparehas din ng sukat. So, the area, in finding the area of the rectangle, we use the formula length times the width of the rectangle. Now, sa parallelogram naman, ang ating formula is ang kanyang base, i-multiply natin yung base na yan times dun sa height ng parallelogram natin. So here, we have some given, ano po, na hahanapin natin yung kanilang area. Ano po, for the first given, ang side daw ng square is 9 inches. For the second given, sa rectangle naman ito, ang length, ang given niya ay 7 cm at ang width ay 4 cm. Doon naman daw sa parallelogram, ang given niya ay base equal to 6 meters at ang height daw ng parallelogram ay 3 meters. So we are going to solve these following given problems. Let us start first in finding the area of the square. So the area of the square is equal to side times side. Area of the square is equal to 9 inches daw yung kanyang side. So 9 inches times side 9 inches pa rin. Area of the square is equal to 9 times 9 is equal to 81 square inches. Kasi inches times inches is equal to square inches. So the area of the square, given that its side measures 9 inches, ang kanyang area is 81 square inches. Now, in finding the area of the rectangle, given the length is 7 centimeters and the width is equal to 4 centimeters, we are going to use the formula for finding the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length times width. Okay? Area of the rectangle is equal to the value of its length. Its length is equal to 7 centimeters times the width is equal to 4 centimeters. Next, area of the rectangle is equal to 7 times 4 is equal to 28, and centimeters times centimeters is equal to square centimeters. So ito yung area ng rectangle natin, given na ang kanyang length ay equal to 7 centimeters at ang kanyang width is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, so for our final given, we have here a parallelogram with a base measuring 6 meters and a height which measures 3 meters. So we use the formula area of parallelogram is equal to base times height. Yan ang formula natin. Area of parallelogram is equal to the value of the base is 6 meters times the value of its height is, or the measure of its height is 3 meters. So the area of the parallelogram, ayusin natin at baka magmukhang rectangle, area of the parallelogram is equal to 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Meters times meters is equal to square meter. So, given that the base of the parallelogram is equal to 6 meters and the height is 3 meters, the area of the parallelogram is equal to 18 square meters. Okay, now we have here the last three polygons that we are going to discuss. Okay po, so we have here the triangle, trapezoid, and the circle. So ano-ano ba yung formula nila or formula in order to find the area of the triangle, trapezoid, and the circle? Okay po, so dun po sa triangle, we are going to use the formula base times the height divided by 2. Okay po, di-divide lang natin sa 2 yung product ng base and height. Now, sa trapezoid naman, makikita natin meron tayong base 1, yung nasa taas, and yung base 2, which is parallel dun sa base 1, pag-a-addin lang natin sila. So, after natin i-add yung value ng dalawa, ng base 1 at ng base 2, i-divide muna natin siya sa 2. So, kapag nakuha na natin yung quotient, multiply natin yung sagot dun sa height. Okay, so later, may example tayo niyan. At dito naman sa area ng circle, we have the formula pi r squared. Now, paano kung ang given ay diameter? So, ganito po muna ang gagawin ninyo. Since r ang ating formula dito, kapag diameter po ang given, i-divide nyo muna ang diameter sa 2 para makuha nyo yung radius. Kaya kung ang given ay diameter, halimbawa ang diameter is equal to 6, i-divide nyo siya sa 2 para makuha nyo yung radius, which is equal to 3. Kung ang diameter niya ay 14, i-divide nyo siya sa 2 para makuha nyo ang radius niya, which is 7. Okay po, so kailangan i-convert muna ninyo yung diameter into radius para po ma-solve ninyo or mahanap ninyo yung area ng circle na yun. So, start na tayo dito sa triangle. We have the formula base times height. So, dito may given tayo. Ang base niya ay 6, ang height niya ay 4. Let us use the formula area of the triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. Area of the triangle is equal to, ang value ng base niya ay 6 inches times ang height niya is equal to 4 inches divided by 2. So, area of a triangle, the triangle is equal to 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Inches times inches is equal to square inches divided by 2. And area of the triangle is equal to 12 square inches. So ito po yung area ng triangle natin, given na yung kanyang base is equal to 6 inches at ang kanyang height is equal to 4 inches. Now, proceed naman tayo dito sa trapezoid. Medyo mahaba-haba itong trapezoid na ito. Ano? So we have base 1 and base 2. Ang base 1 is 6 centimeters. Ang base 2 niya ay 8 centimeters. Ito yan. At ang kanyang height daw ay 4 centimeters. Gamitin natin yung formula. Area of the trapezoid is equal to base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. So, area of the trapezoid is equal to, anong value ng base 1 at ng base 2? Ang base 1 natin is 6 centimeters plus 8 centimeters divided by 2 times ang height natin ay 4 centimeters. So, ang area ng trapezoid natin is equal to 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Bilisan natin ang pag-solve. Ano, shortcut na natin. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 14 ano? 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters yung height. Ano? Ulitin natin. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 and 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters kasi yun yung height na ano. Next, area of the trapezoid is equal to 7 times 4 is equal to 28 square centimeter kasi centimeters times centimeters is equal to square centimeters. So the area of the trapezoid is 28 square centimeters given that the base 1 is equal to 6 centimeters, base 2 is equal to 8 centimeters, and the height is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, let us now proceed to our last plane figure. Ano po? Meron tayo ditong circle. So, sabi daw ang circle natin is pi r squared ang kanyang area. Again, ulitin ko kapag ang given po ay diameter, i-divide muna natin ang diameter sa 2 para makuha natin yung radius. Hindi po natin pwedeng gamitin yung diameter mismo. Hindi, kasi radius yung ating formula, yung given. Hindi naman dyan nakalagay na pi d squared. So yung d, kailangan muna natin i-divide yung diameter sa 2 para makuha natin yung radius, para ma-solve natin yung area ng circle. Anyway, madali lang naman kunin ang radius, i-divide mo lang yung diameter sa 2. Pagka-divide mo lang diameter sa 2, radius na yun. Okay po. Now, solve na natin. So, ang area daw ng circle is equal to pi r squared. Ano ba yung r squared? Okay, para mas madali, hindi kayo malito. Area of the circle is equal to pi, ang r squared po, so pi times r times r. Okay po, ulitin natin, palaki natin para makita nyo. So sabi daw ang area ng circle is equal to pi times r squared. So area of circle is equal to pi times r times r. Ito na yung r squared. R times r is equal to r squared. Okay po. So, mas pinakita lang natin kung ano bang ibig sabihin ng formula na yan. Ano po? Now, solve na natin siya. Area of circle is equal to, ano nga bang value ng pi? So, pi is equal to 3.14. Hindi po yan magbabago. Ano po? Ang pi po, ang value niya talaga ay 3.14. So, dito naman tayo. Times the value of the r. Ang r natin is 2 meters times r ulit 2 meters. So, area of circle is equal to 3.14 times 2 times 2. Dito muna tayo. 3.14 times, i-multiply na muna natin yung radius. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Meters times meters is equal to square meter. And then, proceed na tayo dun sa pag-solve ng ating area ng circle. Okay po. So, we have area of circle is equal to, solve natin, 3.14 times, dito lang. Dito natin i-solve. 3.14 times 4. So, we have 4 times 4 is equal to 16, carry 1. 4 times 1 is equal to 4, plus 1 is equal to 5. And 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So we have 12.56. But 12.56 kasi dalawang decimal places. So dalawang decimal places din ilalagay natin. So the area of the circle is equal to 12.56 square meter. Okay po. The area of the circle having a radius of 2 meters is equal to 12.56 square meters. Okay po. So, ganun lamang po kadali kapag tayo ay naghahanap ng area ng plane figure na kailangan nating hanapan ng area. Ano po? So, para hindi po kayo malito, tandaan lamang po yung formula ng bawat area ng bawat plane figure na yan. Ano po? So, after ninyong malaman kung ano ang formula na gagamitin ninyo, try to know what are the given. Try to find out what are the given. Especially kung ang sasagutan nating problem ay word problem. Ano po? So, i-identify ano yung given and then ano yung plane figure na yon, para alam natin kung anong formula yung gagamitin natin. Kasi mamaya niyan trapezoid yung pinapahanap, ang ginamit natin triangle. Rectangle pala yung tinatanong, ang ginamit nating formula, yung square. So, kailangan i-analyze natin, ano ba yung hahanapin natin? Anong plane figure ba yung kailangan natin hanapan ng area? After knowing the plane figure, alamin na kung ano yung formula ng kanyang area. Ano po? Kung area man ang pinapahanap, So, pag nakuha na yung formula ng area, try to know what are the given. And kapag nakuha na yung given, saka na ninyo i-substitute yung value ng bawat given na yun dun sa ating formula. And then, huwag kalilimutan ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Step by step. Okay po, kung ano yung steps na ginamit natin dito, ganun din po ang gawin ninyo. Ano ba ang kahalagahan ng pagsunod sa steps? Kapag po step by step process yung ating ginamit, never tayong magkakamali. Never tayong malilito throughout dun sa process. Or all throughout dun sa ating pagsosolve. Hindi tayo niyan malilito basta sumusunod tayo sa process. Kasi alam na natin yung next step na gagawin natin. So, wag pong kalilimutan yan. So, I hope you understand our lesson for this day. Thanks for watching, everyone.